JupiterX Premium WordPress Theme, reviewed by RankYa. In this video session, we're going to look at the latest version of JupiterX. What you'll be getting, is it worth it, pros and cons, and I'll share with you tips and insights as to if this theme is worth it for you, okay? Basically, it's a premium theme you can purchase from Theme Forest. Now, once you download your theme folders, this theme actually comes in two different flavors. One is the latest version, which is JupiterX, but your purchase actually gives you an option for the legacy version as well. So what's the difference between the two? JupiterX works with Elementor plugin, whereby the legacy version works with Visual Composer. Now, one great thing about JupiterX is the pre-made websites, meaning it's just a matter of installing your theme, and perhaps you want to explore the pre-made themes for you. So I'll show you a couple of websites. Here I've recently developed this. This is using the Elementor plugin. And there's another one here. I'll show you this one instead. So on your dashboard, once you install your JupiterX theme, you can press on the dashboard. Here you have ready-made websites, right? So you can first perhaps explore the examples here, because then your website can be developed perhaps a little bit more quicker. As in, you can do that from your WordPress dashboard. You can explore as in preview, and then if you like it, then install it. Then it's going to download the pre-made website. Then it's just a matter of changing, as in edit with Elementor. Now, if you never used Elementor plugin, then there will be a learning curve, so to speak. Okay, it's just a matter of, let's imagine you've downloaded a pre-made theme, and it's just a matter of changing things around. You can add elements, change headers. Let's actually go back. We got Layout Builder, whereby you can perhaps create headers, footers that you can use throughout your website. Now, this is JupiterX version. The pros and cons, WordPress has many different premium themes. And with this theme, as I've said, you get two different options. The JupiterX is the latest version that works with Elementor. I'll show you another website that I've built using the legacy version. As we can see, Visual Composer is still good enough to create a great looking website. So JupiterX, I'll show you the code of it. As we can see, in your themes folder, you'll have this. JupiterX, the latest version, works with a plugin called JupiterX Core. That means if you're going to optimize your JupiterX theme, it works a little bit more different compared to previous versions. As we can see, header.php, that's changed now. They are within library, templates, fragments, and here you need to hook into the head portion of WordPress, because that's where you can insert optimization codes. But at the end of the day, what you want is, if you want to use JupiterX, do consider using the ready-made templates, because then you can develop your website a little bit more quicker. As I've said, if you've never used Elementor plugin, you will need to, perhaps there will be a learning curve on your part. Now, if you're using Elementor, they'll try to get you to purchase the Pro version. You don't really need it, because you can still create a great looking website by using the default option. Okay, with Elementor, it's just a matter of making templates because JupiterX works with Elementor plugin, whereby the legacy version works with Visual Composer. Then once you make your Elementor templates, then you can use it anywhere on your website. As you can see, that's a great looking website. All original. That means if your website, whether it's a typical WordPress small business website or an e-commerce site, if you're going to use JupiterX, and if driving website traffic from Google is important, then whatever you do, do not just rely on the ready-made websites. That's just for design purposes, because ideally you want to have a unique, original website, because that's what Google rankings are all about. So there's another website built on JupiterX. As you can see, straightforward. It's different to a degree, but as far as I'm concerned, I've been using Jupyter theme, premium theme, for a while, so I'm familiar with how things work and how I can optimize. But as I've said, if you're going to rely on Google to drive website traffic, then you really need to optimize it, as in change a lot of things in terms of the coding of it. For example, JupiterX latest version has structured data built in, which I believe they get that wrong, because adding structured data is different. It should be different. So basically, if you're going to advertise using Google Ads, then don't worry about editing the code or optimizing, because you'll be relying on Google Ads. But if website traffic is important, then there will be a lot of optimization that needs to be done on your part. Now, that's the latest JupiterX theme review by RankYa. Once again, it's a premium theme you can download as in purchase. When you download it, you'll have a license key. Install it on your WordPress site, then simply activate from your dashboard. JupiterX works with Elementor plugin. You can always access your license key from ArtBees, because this is the developer who developed JupiterX theme. Okay, you can actually download your theme folders from here as well. As I've said, it comes with two distinct themes. One is JupiterX, the other one is the legacy version, which can still be useful to create a great looking website. The legacy version works with Visual Composer. JupiterX does make web development a little bit more easier because of the ready-made templates you can quickly and easily install on your development site. While here, anytime you want to develop a website, remember, settings, reading, you should have discourage search engines from indexing this website till your website is ready to go live. I thank you for learning with RankYa, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.